or happiness and comedy, or did you just yawn? Please go back through all our videos and edit a montage of every time I'm talking and she's yawning.
That never happened.
It happens more than you think.
Around about us is that we got married before we actually got married, then yawning when I'm talking about marriage.
So, come along with us. I have to leave.
Not even one day, because I leave.
Don't say that.
And the sun went down and we had dinner.
Videos happening all the time. Colleen's gonna be doing.
Fucking every day.
She's gonna be this.
I always bore you.